Hi bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, babies, I am going to show you guys how I made these really cute little tiny tags that I'm going to attach to my Valentine's Day little goodies that I'm going to be giving to my co-workers. I love how this tag turned out. So delicious, right? It looks so freaking delicious. I love it. They're so cute. I just love, 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 love these little taggies. And so they're very easy to make. I'm making them because I'm wrapping the gift that I'm going to be giving them for a Valentine's Day gift. I got them these cups that have the red truck with the heart coming out of it. They're obsessed about this red truck, so, and they both are, so I got them both the same cup so they don't get upset, and they enjoy the little red truck with the little hearts coming out. So I'm going to wrap these up and I'm going to bring them into work tomorrow. But I already finished one, which is this one right here. The socks are inside. I wrapped it with some tissue paper and then I made a little tag for them with the initials of their name. So I want to show you how I did that. And then it will give you some ideas on how to wrap these like fun gifts for your co-workers or your family. So I'm using these little tags that I got at the thrift shop. These are just like little like regular tags. You can get these I've seen them in Staplers or Office Depot, or you can make your own little tags if you want. I have millions of these, so I'm going to use this tag to create this fun little beautiful gift tag. So let me show you really quickly how we do that. Let me come a little close because these tags are really small. Okay, so here's my tag that we're going to use. The hearts that we're using for this tag are the hearts from Target. I don't think I have any in here. Let me see if I have any left. I don't think I do. I don't have any left to show you what they look like. But these hearts came from, if you guys watch my video on how, actually, no, you didn't watch it because this video is not out yet. I'm not sure if this video is going to be out before or after this video, but in any event, the video that I did on this tag that we put together using a Christmas sticker, this tag is from Target, and this tag comes with a folk heart attached to it. In that video, I removed the folk little heart and I used the tag to create this beautiful gift tag. So the heart that I removed looked like this. It's like a kind of like a dusty rose folk leather heart, and we're gonna use this to create our little tags. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my folk little heart here, and in this heart it has like a little hole right there because that's where the tag ribbon used to go. I have here, let me put you more close. I have here these beautiful little gems that I got at AC Moore a long time ago. I'm going to cover that little hole with the gem, which I have here, and I have my hot glue. You can probably use like pom-poms or like a big sequins if you have, and that's going to cover that little hole that little heart had there. And all we're gonna do is just basically layer these hearts. So what I did here, I used the Dollar Tree heart that I am obsessed over, and I'm using a pink one. And what I did here basically is I just simply just overlaid them like this. One going this way and one going that way. That's all I did. And I'm going to put hot glue on the back, and then I'm going to lay them down like that. Just like that. See that? Oops. And what I did on this side over here is I added another one of these little gems right on this corner right here. so it can kind of look a little bit the same. Just like that. In the middle of the heart, I added a pink button, and to that pink button I also added another one of these gems. I love using these gems, they're so pretty. So I'm going to hot glue the pink button right in the center, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to hot glue another gem right in the center. And at the end, you should get something that looks gorgeous and yummy like this. See that pretty heart? So pretty. Now we're going to add this heart to our tag. This is a really simple, literally simple project, okay? I'm going to add my little embellishment to my tag right in this corner right here. Simple. Hot glue. And I'm going to add this right there. Boom. And this heart right here, which is one of my favorite hearts. I'm obsessed with this heart. It just gives me so much like hunger. When I look at this heart, I get so hungry because it looks so delicious. These are like really glittery, sparkly, multicolored glitter hearts that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm so obsessed with these hearts. I absolutely love them so much. I'm going to go over the weekend and I'm going to grab more of these hearts because I am obsessed with them. So, as you can see there, look at that, how beautiful they are. So what I did is I added one of these gorgeous hearts right in this little corner over here of my tag. Right in this little corner right here. Just like that. And to finish off my tag, in this little corner over here, I added a little tiny piece of felt. Not felt, I'm sorry. This is not felt. This is tulle. From the Dollar Tree, you know the little tulle spools that they sell there? Just grab a little piece of this. What I do is I just cut a little piece out and then I scrunch it in the center like this. I get some ribbon, twine, thread, whatever, wrap it around, and that's going to create myself a cute little, sort of like a nice little embellishment that we can use. I'm dropping everything. Ugh. Okay, so double knot this so that it doesn't go undone. Very tight knot. And then cut off the extra. And then you're going to hot glue this adorable little tulle to your tag right in this corner right here. Right there. Boom. So pretty. And if you want to go back and you want to add some sequins to the tags, you can. It is up to you. If you want to keep it simple, you can keep it simple. If you want to add tags, you can add tags. It's really however you want your tag to look. I'm going to add these gigantic sequins right in this corner right here because I love the way that looks. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Just like that. And I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to add anything else. And that is really simple. That is absolutely simple. And that is how I create these really delicious, I love these tags. These really awesome, fun tags. Now let me show you how I kind of wrapped it so it could look like this. Simple, very simple. So what I did with my gift that I'm going to be gifting out is, I have here some Valentine's Day tissue paper that I already cut out in half. This is one sheet, and then I cut that sheet in half. I'm going to wrap my Valentine's Day socks that I have here for them in here. So what I do here is basically just, because this is going to go inside the cup like this, okay? So I'm going to roll my Valentine's Day socks a few times, and I'm going to go like this, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to keep rolling. And then I'm going to use twine to close it. Where is my twine that I already have pre-cut? Here it is. So we're going to use twine. Like a very simple knot. And then we're going to add this to the inside of the mug that I got them. Just like that. I'm going to squeeze this in here. And you're going to have this tail sticking out, because that's where we're going to attach our tag. Before we attach our tag, what I did is I used one of these really fun stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I used their letters, the first letters of their name, to attach it to another tag. So I'm going to use K. And this one I use N. I don't know if you guys can see there, but this one I've used the letter N. For this one, I'm going to use the letter K. I love these sticklers. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically add it to this little corner right here of another tag that I have here. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that my K doesn't fall anywhere. And I'm going to add this right in this corner right here. See? Just like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to add this tag to this tag, but we're going to kind of put it this way so you can see the K. So we're going to hot glue this. And make sure you keep your little hole open, because that's where you're going to put your, you're going to glue in your twine, okay? So make sure that when you add your little hole, you have both holes available for you to string through your twine. You should get something like this. And I'm going to string through my little twine right in there. So what I'm going to do is, now that you have the little tail, see the little tail that we left out? We're going to string through the tag. And we're just going to basically make a nice little knot, letting the tag hang out. I originally started putting the tag on this side, but I felt that it kept falling. So I'm like, I gotta find a different way to hang the tag. And so that's how I, came across this idea. So all you gotta do is just do like a simple, very light little knot right here, allowing the tag to hang out. Do a nice little bow. And boom. There you have your cute little tag. You put it in the little corner, hanging out. See that? And it looks really, really delicious. I love this tag. Oh my gosh. This tag is like, I'm obsessed with this tag. I love it. So that is how I wrapped these really fun Valentine's Day cups for them with their little socks inside. I have 2 more to finish, but I wanted to show you guys a really quick way on how to gift these awesome Valentine's Day little gifts for your coworkers or your family. All right, my beautiful crafty friends, I hope you like this video. I will see you guys on my next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I love you all. Have a fantastic, safe weekend. Bye.